January 12th, 2025, somewhere in New Mexico. Officers roll up on a domestic call. Someone got hit by a car. They see a green vehicle at the scene. Seconds later, a second green car pulls up. Same color, different driver, different story. But here is the question. When cops cannot tell who is who, does everyone at the scene lose their rights? Let us break it down.
22. The vehicle's back on the scene. Figure out the plate. New Mexico boy, Nora, Mary, Adam. Hold on. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here, please.
Hey, get the fuck! No, do not touch me. You have no fucking right to touch me.
Come over here. Come over here, please. Stop. Stop.
Dude, I just got here, bro. I heard what happened. Get the fuck out
Let
of
me
me.
talk to you.
Dude, you're...
Come
no.
over here.
No, dude.
Come over here.
For what, dude? Leave me alone. Dude, for real. My name...
Come over here. Come.
No.
Come
dude.
over here. Come over here.
Get off of me, dude. They just fucking ran her over, dude.
Who ran who over?
It's her fucking brother. Let me check on her, dude.
Hold on.
Let me check on
She
her.
was fine. She was over here whenever I came over here.
Bro, let me off, bro. Get me off.
Stop.
Get me off, dude. No.
Stay over there. Stay over there. Stay over there.
Get off of me, bro. I just got here, bro.
Next unit.
Angelina.
Letty, I can't.
Put your hands behind your
I
back,
just
please.
got here, dude.
There's no reason for you to be
I
like
just
that.
got
She's
here,
my
bro.
girlfriend. She's
Bro, I just got
like
here.
that.
Bro,
Put your hands
Hey,
behind
she's
your
a
back.
girl.
Step
She's a
back.
girl. I understand.
Step
Step
back.
Step
no,
back.
I just
She's
got
a
here.
Put your hands behind your
She's
back.
a girl. She's
I just got here, bro.
You
I
know
just
what?
got here.
There's no reason for you to be like that. And
You
she
guys
just
are wrong,
got
dude. I just got here, bro. I just got here. I just got here, bro. You guys are so
like that. That's not right. She had no
Bro,
weapon,
I
no
want-
nothing, no reason for you guys to
Dude, that guy
I'm
just
back.
fucking ran her over, bro.
I am
Pulled up
back.
43.
Bro.
So if you try running into this apartment, I grabbed her and then let her go back.
No.
Bro,
Bro, I didn't do anything. Get me up.
Stand up for me.
I didn't do anything. I literally just got
Stand up.
here. You guys are fucking crazy. No.
Stand up.
No. I didn't do anything. I literally just...
My unit's on.
No. No, I
Stand
didn't
up.
do anything, dude. Why are you detaining me? No. You're not gonna... Bro. I didn't do anything. I just literally pulled up. I literally just pulled up. You saw me pulling up.
You got her, right?
You're hurting me.
Well, then
dude.
stand up.
You're hurting me.
Walk. Yeah.
No, I didn't do anything.
She had no weapons, no nothing, no reason for you guys to tackle her like that. I'm back. I'm back.
Step back.
I am back. I
Step
am
back.
back. Completely back. I am back.
Step back.
You guys are doing wrong, though.
What?
You guys are doing wrong. She
Hold
did
on,
the
hold
same
on,
thing.
hold
No,
on. Chill
no.
out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out.
No, that's not right.
Well, I'm gonna put you-
have no reason to detain me.
I do,
have no
I do,
reason.
because you
No,
are
no,
not
no.
complying.
No, I am complying. I
Come
have
here.
my hands on my hood.
Come here.
I
Okay.
have my hands on my hood.
So what's going on?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know.
Didn't you guys-
My girlfriend just got here and you guys came up on us.
Okay, so we got a call. Face me, because I'm talking to you. Okay, so we got a call. There's a domestic here, and you got somebody try to run somebody over.
Yeah, my brother came over here. That had nothing to do with us.
Okay.
They did it up the street at the stop sign. It had nothing to do with us. So
it was a domestic between
yeah,
your-
it was my
your
brother
brother
and his boyfriend at the
boyfriend?
stop sign.
Okay.
And I called my girlfriend because it was a little too much. She drove here and she showed up and you guys tackled her.
No, we're good.
So that there was no reason for me and her to be tackled because we weren't the ones, you know what I mean? Like that, there's no reason.
So, okay.
So I put my hands on the car. I was compliant. I did what I was supposed to do, and you guys handcuffed me. There was no reason.
Central 1137,
Like, I'm not hostile. I'm not trying to fight you guys or anything. Like, it was my brother and his boyfriend at the stop sign. And she drove up and look at, you guys, like, there was no reason. There was no reason for what you guys did to me or did to her right now.
Why? So why is she in handcuffs right now?
Right now, she got off the car and he drove up at the same time and he tackled her.
Okay. So.
And at the same time, he fucking rushed up to me. Look at my lip.
Okay. So.
Like, there was no reason. We weren't hostile. We were trying to tell you guys, and you guys fucking tackled us. Even you got like aggressive with me and put me in handcuffs. Like, my hands were on the hood, dude. Like, are you serious right now?
I wasn't aggressive.
Yeah, you were, dude. You threw me aggressively, like that. Okay.
Well, I mean,
okay, it's all in my mind.
Yeah, I mean,
it's all in my mind,
describe
sir.
it however you
Perfect.
Want. That's.
I felt it. You didn't.
Yeah, because I'm not.
Yeah, perfect. Exactly. I felt it, and you didn't.
All I did was detain you because.
Perfect. There was no reason to detain me. I wasn't hostile. I wasn't aggressive. I wasn't nothing.
Well,
I was talking to you normally, like a person.
Okay. Well.
And so there was no reason for you to detain me.
There
was no hostile moment. There was no danger for your well-being. No, you do because you're an officer. You're trained for that. Okay, then. So if you don't have to talk to me, then that's it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Perfect. Have a good night.
You too.
So my brother came earlier. He just checked me with the car, and this man was outside. And and her car is green, but my brother's car is green as well, and it's a hatchback, and it's my mom's car. So her car is a Charger, and it's green.
Is this your girlfriend's car?
Yeah, and my brother's my mom's car is a hatchback Mazda. It's smaller.
Was that one here too?
Yeah, he was here earlier. He's the one that got into an altercation with his boyfriend, and he did struck me with the car. So right now, you guys are trying to think like it's her, but no, it's not her. It's my brother. Okay. And it's the same color. It's the same like funky green. Okay. But his is a Mazda hatchback. Okay. And so hers is a Challenger. So makes right more now, sense. Like you guys are like, you know what I mean? And like that's why I'm being so aggressive because it's like. You guys are not hearing the full story, right? And because the only story is we guys the person that called us, and the person that called us said that the person. Yeah, because I fell to my knees because my brother came up, and you could see. Look, come here. You can see these tire marks. Look at. They're small, right? Yeah. So look at her tire marks. They're big. Okay. So my brother was here. So your girlfriend was not involved at all? No, she just drove up when you guys drove up, and you guys tackled her and tackled me. You know what I mean? And you got aggressive thinking that, I understand, you guys are cops, like you guys are driving up, whatever, but you guys didn't hear us out. And I'm trying to explain to you what happened, and you're like, no, you know what I mean? And like all of that, like I understand that, I get that, but it's not what happened. And if you guys would take the time to hear us out, and when they threw her on the floor, like that guy like grabbed her hand and threw her on the floor, and she's telling him like I just got here. Okay, so you know what I mean. So like that's why we're so like hostile, because we're fucking cold. We were inside. You know what I mean? Like she just got here. Like fuck. Like I was inside. She just got here. My brother was tripping. He fucking drove. Like, come here. This fucking fire pit was right here. Okay. Look at my brother's tire mark. He drove me into here. So I was on the floor in between the car, and my neighbor saw. He's the one that called the cops. Did you want to pursue charges for that? No, I don't. Okay. You know what I mean? But he drove. Look at. All this was a fire pit because like the city tells us that we have to have it in a pit and it has to be contained, right? Okay. Those are city ordinance. Let me go. Like all that was look at, you can see his tire marks. Like look at, you can see, dude. Yeah. Like I fell right there. Like she just drove up when you guys drove up because I was on the phone with her. Okay. So when he ran me over and I hit the wall, like she heard me screaming, and she was already right here on Alameda. Let me go. Let me go tell my officer. So it was like real quick. You know what I mean? Let me go tell my partner that new information. Okay. Yeah, like I'm sorry, but they need to understand what's going on.
Dude, I literally just pulled up. I literally just pulled up, dude. I literally just pulled up. Why are you guys doing this?
Explain it.
I wanna know. No, I'm
Sit
not
down.
going in there. No, I'm not going in there, dude.
Sit down.
I can stay outside, dude. I'm not fucking gonna do anything.
Sit down.
Yeah, I'm
All the way in.
No,
All the way in.
no.
It's either that or you're gonna go in a wrap. It's
Well,
much
why?
more uncomfortable.
What did I do, though?
You pushed me. Sit
I
down.
didn't push. Dude, you literally put hands
in.
on me for no reason, though. That's the thing.
Get in.
I was walking in the door and you caught me and you put hands on me.
Step
Bro,
out of the
no,
way.
you put hands on me, bro.
Okay, we're gonna put you in the wrap then.
What?
The wrap.
Why?
Because you're not listening.
Bro, what? Why are you detaining me, though?
You're not detained. You're under arrest.
Why? For
pushed me.
what? Bro, I didn't push it, dude.
All the way inside.
You got me scared, dude. No, I want to talk to a girl, dude. No, I want to talk to a girl.
You're not gonna talk to a female until you get inside the vehicle.
Okay, but why are you doing this to me, bro? I just literally pulled up. Why? I didn't do anything. Why are you fucking gonna race me, bro?
You got a wrap?
No, don't put me on
Lock
the...
our key, the wrap?
No, I don't need the rap, bro, but I want to
Yeah, no,
understand.
if you're not gonna listen, you're gonna go in the
No,
wrap.
I want to understand why, dude. I literally just pulled up. I parked and I ran inside because they told... No, they told me that...
Hey, you have a wrap in your unit? I have no idea.
Please, bro. And I didn't... Okay, yes. I understand. Bro, but why? What did I do?
Can you also start fire for use of first place? And it seems secure.
Stop talking. I don't want the rap, bro.
Well then stop.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. I don't want you to talk. I'm gonna talk to you after you
Just stand by really quick.
Yes,
Just
I'm coming.
keep it right there just in case. It's you? Yeah.
I didn't do anything, guys. I didn't do it. I literally just pulled up.
listen.
I think that's it.
Let's get from out of here.
It's cold out here.
I'm just gonna hang out here for a couple of minutes if she doesn't need to go nowhere, and then we'll take off.
So she said that a male tried to run her over, but she's the one who's driving the car. Like they gave the description of somebody trying to run over. Huh?
The same one you described on the radio that took off?
Yeah, so whenever I passed by earlier, like before the call even came in, I saw that car right here because that car's always driving 43 in this dirt lot. So I saw it. I was gonna come check out with it, but there's another call on holiday, so I was heading over there. And so while I'm going this way, the vehicle's here. The call came in for the domestic, turn around, the vehicle's gone. As soon as I get back here, and she goes back inside to apartment 1 where the call came in, and then a dude went into that back one over there, and they just both went inside, shut the door, and this girl all of a sudden just pulls up hauling ass, parks right here, gets out, and goes straight into that door. I'm telling her, come over here, let me talk to you, because they said this vehicle was in home with somebody over, and she's refusing to. So I grabbed her and try to pull her, like, she's kind of like this one. She's kind of coming like cooperative, uncooperative. Since I had her jacket, she's trying to take her jacket off, and then she turns around and starts yelling at me and pushes me. I took her to the ground.
And so that's when I pulled up, he was just kind of yelling at them. So
All right, hold on, give it, sir.
Yeah, of course. It's good. Yeah. Is she okay? You should check her too. Is she okay?
I don't know.
Just for the search. And I think she'll calm down with the female. She's been asking for a female.
That's it. So she's saying that.
Oh, I don't think anybody. I think everybody knows.
Hey, Lockhart, can you hang out right here? She's saying that.
She says to do the felony intake. I gotta take your injuries. Picture of your injuries, okay?
No meds, no allergies.
Oh, how are you going to do all that?
This is part of an ongoing legal education series, analyzing real police encounters through constitutional law. I have watched hundreds of these, but this one hits different. Two people who had nothing to do with the original crime end up in handcuffs. The actual suspect? Gone. So let us talk about what went right, what went wrong, and what the law actually says about all of it. The girlfriend pulls up in a green Dodge Challenger. Officers are looking for a green Mazda hatchback. Different make, different model, but same color. She steps out and walks straight toward the apartment. The officer yells for her to stop. She does not. Under Terry v. Ohio, officers responding to a violent crime can briefly detain people based on reasonable, articulable suspicion, a matching vehicle color. At that scene, at that moment, that is enough to justify a stop. But here is my issue. Suspicion to stop is not the same as justification to tackle. Now, here is the human thinking side. She just got a phone call from her boyfriend screaming, saying he got hit by a car. She races over. She sees cops everywhere. Her only thought is getting to him. From her perspective, she is a rescuer, not a suspect. But the law does not care about perspective in real time. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, when an officer gives a lawful order during an active investigation, you comply first and argue later. That is the rule. Fair or not, that is how it works. The officer grabs her jacket, she pulls away, and he takes her to the ground. This is where Graham v. Connor kicks in. The Supreme Court said use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not from hindsight. So the question becomes, would a reasonable officer tackle an unarmed woman who is walking, not running, toward a door? She was not fleeing, she was not fighting, she was ignoring commands. I have seen cases where that distinction saved a department from a lawsuit, and cases where it cost them 6 figures. Meanwhile, the boyfriend is across the scene losing his mind. He is shouting at officers, moving around, trying to get to his girlfriend. His brother, driving the other green car, had just run him over with that Mazda hatchback. He is the actual victim here. But under New Mexico, Statute Section 30-22-1, resisting, evading, or obstructing an officer during lawful duties is a misdemeanor. It does not matter if you are the victim. It does not matter if you are right. If you obstruct, you catch a charge. Here is what gets me though. The boyfriend actually had his hands on the hood of the car, physically compliant. But verbally, he would not stop. He kept yelling, kept moving, kept trying to explain. And I get it. I honestly do. Someone just tried to kill him with a car, and now he is in handcuffs while that person drives away. But the counter-argument is brutal and simple. The officers could not secure the scene because he would not let them. That is obstruction, even with good intentions. Now let us talk about the investigation itself. One officer finally sits down with the boyfriend and actually listens. The boyfriend walks him to the tire marks on the ground. Small tracks from the Mazda, big tracks from the Challenger. 2 different vehicles. 2 different stories. The officer sees it, gets it, and goes to tell his partner. This is how police work is supposed to function. But it took physical takedowns and handcuffs to get to a conversation that should have happened in the first 30 seconds. Let us evaluate the officers. The primary responding officer listened once things calmed down. He walked the scene, examined evidence, adjusted his assessment. That is solid police work. But the initial approach lacked any de-escalation attempt. Commands were stacked with no time for compliance. The handcuffing of a physically compliant individual raises real Graham versus Connor questions. Good investigation, rough entry. The tackling officer is where the real legal exposure sits. He took down an unarmed woman who was walking, not running. His own words later describe her as kind of cooperative, kind of uncooperative. That description alone would be problematic in a civil rights deposition. Under the Fourth Amendment, the force must match the threat. Walking past an officer is not the same as charging at one. If this goes to court, that takedown is Exhibit A. The girlfriend maintained her story from start to finish, and the evidence backed her up. She asked for a female officer, which is her right. She did not threaten anyone. But she walked past a uniformed officer during an active domestic violence investigation. Under Florida versus Bostick, once an officer physically prevents you from leaving, it is a seizure, and you are legally required to comply. Her instincts were right. Her actions created legal jeopardy she did not need. The boyfriend was the actual victim of a vehicular assault. His information was accurate. His brother did hit him with a car. His girlfriend did just arrive. Everything he said was true. But truth, delivered through shouting, movement, and refusal to stay put, is still obstruction under New Mexico law. The statute does not have a good intentions exception. He was right about the facts and wrong about the delivery. And the delivery is what got him arrested.
That's the photographs of where you're hurting. Where at?
Make sure you put that the officer did that one.
Okay.
I have another one right here. That's gonna swell up.
Okay. You're on. Okay. Face the camera.
I see.
Sure. Turn this face this way.
How do you spell your first and last name?
Can you face the unit then?
What's your date of birth?
Can I what?
Face the unit. Right there, sideways. Hurts. I'll go for you too, because I've already done a bad. Should we want transport to the hospital? Okay, so. You want to be transported to the hospital?
Why? Where am I fucking going?
You don't have to. But just ask me if you want to go.
Am I being arrested or what?
That's going to be up to the officers. We're just here for medical attention. We just need to know if you want to be transported or not.
Well, I don't know what the fuck's going on first.
Do you feel like you need medical attention at the hospital? Just so that you know you're vitally stable, okay? So everything that we can see here, you're okay.
Yeah, I know I'm okay.
I didn't feel anything. Nope.
Where's she at? My back does hurt. From
So
where
would you
you
like
fucking...
to go? We have an ambulance here.
Where?
We're here cleared.
Okay.
We're at the good cleared anyways.
Alright. I don't care if you record, but you need to stay right there.
I'm not recording. I just want to make sure that my pictures of my phone, that my website is working.
Okay. Absolutely. You're right there.
Okay. We're going to transport. No transport. Okay. No, we can go. Thanks. Appreciate it. See you, fellas. Adios. Where are they going?
Are you the guy I was talking to? Where is he? The officer I was talking to?
I'll talk to you in just a second.
Locker, can you do a photograph? Okay.
Okay, so you know my spiders called the truck.
Yeah. Do me a favor, have a seat. You don't swallow it.
I'm trying.
Well, I don't know what's going on. Tell me.
So then the officer comes up to you, right?
Yeah, he came up to me with the big see his cop car.
Okay, but when he's telling you to step out over here so he can investigate the stuff, then
Yeah.
obviously
Like, I don't think that's like that's legal. Like, you can go and be like, grab somebody like that. That's fucked up. And I did like put a weight on myself because I don't want. He was driving up. I can literally just lift me up like nothing.
Yeah, obviously, so you're trying to fucking explain something to me so I don't go complain. That's what's going on here.
I'm not used to it yet. No.
Yeah, I know. What's going on?
Why are we taking pictures of her? What's going on now?
That's
So I
fucked
guess
up.
she
And
was
then I
hit
got
by a car too.
Dude,
So I guess she was hit by a car. And I think she was possibly, or somebody else was. Two people were hit by a car. They're saying that it's the exact same make and model vehicle, but someone else is driving a different vehicle that's the same make and model.
That's weird.
That the brother, I guess, her brother or her brother, one of the two, drives the same exact vehicle and hit her with the car earlier. So she's wanting to make sure her injuries are documented now, but she doesn't want to pursue charges on him.
I understand now.
And you knew he was a police officer. You still are.
No, after I saw him at the light, after I threw him under attention, I was like, oh, but I saw him.
So why even throw attention?
Or the like colored jacket and the feet
I saw how she fucking flew and that nigga fucking just literally bumped her with the car. He went over.
That M44's tied up. So.
Bro.
I understand what you're saying. And Maria doesn't want to press charges. And we're out here trying to help, and then you started acting crazy, and this is what happens. And the next time we come out here and you act like this, the same thing's gonna happen. You know that.
And that's the thing, like, y'all never had a fucking problem with me because I don't go out there.
I don't even know who you are.
Exactly. Y'all don't have a fucking record on me. This is like the first time I just pulled up.
You are.
No.
Yes.
I told them I didn't do anything, dude.
You didn't even give him an opportunity to investigate when you threw your tantrum. Like you said. You got all sideways for no reason.
Because I don't like cops, bro.
It doesn't matter if you like them, you still have to comply. Had you would have just stayed there and be quiet, nothing. But you want to act all crazy?
I never got a fucking water, bro. I'm thirsty. And it's cold.
Look, I'm going to explain something to you, and remember,
That's fine.
if you start acting all crazy, you get put in arrest.
Okay, cool.
So you're going to be placed under arrest.
Why?
For obstructing the investigation.
Bro, I work tomorrow morning. Can you please just give me a warning or something, please, bro? Like, I apologize and everything, like, but, like, she did get hit bad. I just wanted to make sure she was okay, bro. Like, what the hell? Like, what?
And that's why.
Marianela, so they're gonna take
sit down.
me? They're gonna arrest me?
Sit down. Okay.
Fucked up. So when do I get out? I was supposed to go to court tomorrow. So how is that gonna work out?
Maybe they'll speed up the process because the judge is gonna go in there. They'll be okay. So the faster we get you over there,
Bro, please, can you
have to get a medical.
I was freaked out. I was fucking scared, bro. I get it. I'm sorry. Yes, next time I will do it.
I've already explained to you.
She used to live on Hadley. This is the one that we used to have domestic all the time. I guess she's a nurse or something. I don't know. The last time I dealt with her for a domestic, that she was wearing her scrub and she's like, I just got off work in the morning.
But you know how to ask for law enforcement, and what you did was not okay. Whether you like it
Shut
or not.
the fuck up.
Not even.
Listen to them.
Are you charging or is that not?
They're gonna arrest me, bro.
No, shut up and listen to them for 2 seconds. Listen to them.
Whoever.
I'll be right back, all right?
No, I wanna stay with them.
Well, we gotta go.
Sounded like it. Maybe they drove by. Oh no, somebody. 1144.
Oh, shit. Took too long.
Please, can I talk to her then?
Marianela.
No, it's good for
Marianela.
Yeah.
Oh God, you guys.
Okay, so if she doesn't press charges,
Do you have anything else on your person? Well, she's not pressing charges. She's not pressing charges only. She's gonna make sure you don't have anything else on your person, right?
okay, I can't.
Thanks. Go ahead. Face the car.
Look, dude, I didn't do anything, bro. I didn't do anything, bro. I'm sorry. Like, I got
Go ahead and separate your feet.
I got scared because that dude was.
Separate your feet.
Yeah, I get it. I don't have it. Well, I have my.
Reach in the pockets.
Marianela, can you give everything I have to my girlfriend?
Okay.
You want her to take everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like some of my, well, yeah, I don't know, service. But can you give her all my belongings?
Yeah.
Like, all.
Phone, knife, everything?
knife, my nicotine, my vape pen.
Okay, don't grab nothing.
Okay, my bad. But you have to understand, like, dude, I'm sorry, dude. Was it you? Okay. I'm sorry. I honestly, like, I freaked out, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Please don't do this shit. I have a good record, dude. Please don't fucking do this shit, please. I have a good record, dude. Please, help me out. Please don't fucking take me to jail, bro. That guy literally ran me over and I'm going to jail. What the fuck? I don't have anything else. I will tell you. That's fucked up. And then he ran me over and her and I'm going to jail, bro. What the fuck? Marielena, can you call my job?
Got anything in your shoes?
No, wait up, Marielena.
Okay, we'll bring her
Can
here.
you call
Take
me?
a seat.
You want?
You want everything to go through it?
Yes, please, dude.
You want
Hey, Montoya, come here, please. I'm sorry. Bro,
You
I'm
want to take all your
sorry.
jewelry out? And so that she can have it?
Yeah, no.
You want to keep it?
Yeah, because I don't know. That one can't get lost.
And
I'll
then
keep
your
it.
earrings? Keep it.
Yeah, I'll keep everything else. But please,
Okay.
please, guys, I'm sorry. Like, I didn't do anything. That guy ran me over.
Okay.
Bro, like,
I'll go talk to them real quick, okay?
Why am I getting arrested, bro?
We'll go ahead and talk to them.
They already told us.
Hear you guys, so that you guys can tell her, like, hey, chill the fuck out. You know what I mean? Like, I get you guys. I'm not. You guys are trying to tell her to shut the fuck up and just chill out for the second.
Yeah, but
And I get that, and I respect that. But for 2 seconds, just let me talk to her.
well,
so she
here's
can
the
shut fuck out,
issue,
please.
right? Like, I'm trying to explain to the officers the misunderstanding, and you guys both just keep running your mouth at us.
No, not
Like,
you. I'm trying to tell her to shut the fuck up so that she could hear you guys, so that you guys could tell her, like, hey, chill the fuck out. You know what I mean? Like, I get you guys. I'm not trying to go against you guys. I don't, disrespect anything you guys are doing. Like, I hear you out. But, like, she came to help me, dude. My brother ran me into the fucking house. Like, you guys see the tire marks.
I understand that. And,
And she is going to jail, dude.
She knew we were law enforcement, and she still acted that way.
I locked it.
She could have easily been like, hey, this is what happened.
Oh, man,
right?
please, guys. Please, can you guys go get my brother?
Ma'am,
My brother's on
She wanted to give
parole.
all your stuff, all her belongings to you. I'm gonna put it by your front door just because there's a knife over here, okay?
Lesson 1. Compliance is not agreement, it is strategy. You can fully disagree with an officer and still comply with their commands. The courtroom is where you win arguments. The street is where you survive them. Every word you say can be used against you, but silence and compliance almost never can. Comply first, complain after. That is how you protect yourself. Lesson 2. If you arrive at an active police scene, stop. Identify yourself immediately. Hands visible. Voice.calm. Say who you are and why you are there before you move anywhere. Officers do not know your story. They know the dispatch call. In that gap between what you know and what they know, your behavior writes the narrative. Make sure it is a good one. Lesson 3. Officers, verbal de-escalation costs nothing and prevents everything. This entire encounter could have been resolved with 30 seconds of listening before anyone got tackled. The investigation got to the right answer eventually. But it got there through handcuffs, takedowns, and an obstruction arrest that might not survive judicial review. The fastest way to clear a scene is not always force. Sometimes it is a conversation. If there is a case you think deserves this kind of analysis, drop it in the comments. The Constitution does not enforce itself. That is what cases like this are for. And remember, knowing your rights is only half the equation. Knowing how to exercise them without making things worse, that is the other half. Thanks for watching.